Hey guys, I wanted to preface this video by saying that I had initially done a search for McMead and McDonald's honey wine and several other variations on that. And frankly, the only thing I could find was this reference to Mead, Washington. So I'm really excited to try to do this particular video, and I appreciate any support that you have. So definitely like and subscribe the channel, and we'll see you in the next videos. Hey, thanks for joining me on the Solstice Meadery. My name is Darren, and I'm going to be talking to you today about a McMead. That's right, a McMead. But first, roll that footage. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me here on the Solstice Meadery. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel. It would be a huge help if you could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that bell so that you're aware of all of my newest videos that are coming up. This channel is to document my entire process from my first batch of mead all the way through to hopefully making this a thriving business. And it's with your support that I'm going to do that. So again, please like and subscribe, share alike my videos. If you haven't seen what I've been doing, I'm going to try to put a card right over here to my other videos. You can open that in a separate window so that you can check them out later. And then, of course, you can also check them out on my page, the Solstice Meadery. But right now, we're talking about McMead. That's right, the legendary, the elusive honey wine made from McDonald's honey. Let's do this. So hey, if you've been following my channel and seen my other videos, you'll know that what I'm trying to do here is document all of my successes, my failures, everything that I have that I'm doing with mead making. And I have some big plans. I'm going to do some things that are outside the box and get a little crazy with it here in the future. But hey, that's what I've got you guys here for. I want to see, excuse me, I want to see what you guys want me to make. And let's do this together. So in this particular episode, I'm going to be showing you just a couple of items. I happen to have 84 of these. 84. These are a ½ ounce honey from McDonald's. And so they've changed their packaging. It's no longer the regular sauce packets that you would rip open. They're actually a solid square unit with a tinfoil top. So my plan is, here's my plan. I was going to do a 1-gallon test batch, right? And I figured I would probably do it with say 3 pounds of honey. So do the math. It's 96 of these that I need. I have 84. So we're super close. It may actually be my first mead because I have my other honey on the way for another batch of traditional mead that I plan to do. And that's on the way. So whichever gets here first, that's what we'll start. Here's my problem though, and I'm hoping that you guys out there can help me. So this is a hard plastic shell with a typical tinfoil top that you have to rip off to get to the product. So what I need to do, I'm trying to figure out a way to effectively get the honey out without me having to literally rip open every one and like take a little spatula to spoon it out. So what I was thinking of doing was using a larger bucket to simply take a knife, cut the honey packet open, and maybe use the knife to cut and crush the foil away, And my 1 gallon of water, I was going to warm it up to, say 85, maybe 90 degrees. Right, pretty warm water, but nowhere near boiling. Maybe even as far as 100 degrees. Doesn't matter. Because here's my point. This stuff, I am going to go out on a very sturdy limb, and I'm going to say this is the most blended honey you will probably ever taste. This probably has the cheapest, and it's nothing on like McDonald's, right? They have a business to run, and these are given out for free. So as condiments, they're going to go with whoever the lowest bidder is, whoever the lowest provider is, and I applaud them for doing that. Right? That's their business model to make cheap but good food. Claims to that aside, but this is probably the most blended honey from around the world, right? So this is so blended, it's not even funny, right? So it's not going to have any kind of characteristics of its own. Additionally, I'm going to bet that this has been pasteurized. Probably pasteurized to within an inch of its life. For safety reasons, because again, McDonald's, huge corporation, they don't want anybody getting sick from their stuff. And thirdly, I'm going to bet that honey right there has been ultra filtered, right? It is going to be, just the most homogeneous thing you've probably ever found, right? So with that being said, I'm not worried about pasteurizing or boiling in this particular case. I know that primarily I don't want to do any type of, I don't want to pasteurize, so I'm not going to be boiling in the future. You'll see in my videos, I'm not going to be boiling my must at all. I won't be bringing it up to the, whatever it is, 180 degree, 160 degree temperature for 5 minutes. I won't be doing any of that. I may use warm water to assist the honey getting out of whatever repository it's in. But other than that, I think I'm going to go with just a straight traditional, see how we do. And then I may do filtration on the back end of some kind. We'll see how that depends on, each must is going to be, in each batch is going to be its own entity, its own thing. So, I'm 12 away from having this batch ready technically. 96 is needed for 3 pounds of honey. But I'm assuming that I'm probably going to lose a couple of ounces here and there. It's just not going to come out of the packages very well. So I'm probably going to shoot for 100. I'm almost there right now. And then here's the other thing. I'm starting to realize, picture on the side, this is my stack of 84 honeys that I have right now. And that's a lot of freaking volume. I am not sure, there's no way that I'm going to get a gallon of warm, tepid warm water, whatever, into a bucket and then somehow drop these suckers in there and stir them around, because that was my original idea. I was going to take these, cut them, maybe kind of crush the tin foil away so that the honey is easily accessible and water can flush in there. And I was just going to drop them into a bucket and then just stir the crap out of that, right? Just get them. I've got a wine whip on the way. I was maybe thinking about utilizing that to really get everything agitated, to help get that water into each of the little cups and get the honey out. It's not going to do it but that's not going to work with as many honey packages as I'm going to have, unless I do it 10 or 15, 20 at a time, get them cleaned out, and then use a strainer to pull the dead soldiers out, rinse and repeat, right? Keep doing it until I have all the honey in there. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think is the best way? I've still got a ways to go in getting my supplies for this. So there's plenty of time for people to subscribe and comment, and let me know what you think the best way might be to get that honey out of the packages and into a must so that we can use it. I do plan on using a 1 gallon carboy, glass carboy that I showed in, I believe, episode 2. from the beer making kit that I purchased. I'll probably use that to make the McMead, and yeah, I mean that's how we're gonna work this. So anyway, I just want to make this a short video. I really appreciate you guys viewing. YouTube, they've changed their algorithms. It's all about subscribers and viewership. So if you could do me the huge favor of subscribing to my channel, I would truly appreciate that. And just watch the videos. Check it out for yourself, and let me know if I'm doing something wrong. You guys out there are the experts, right? So you tell me what I should be doing, or maybe I'm doing something right. Let me know about it. Anyway, subscribe, like, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you, and appreciate you watching.